Hello class, in this lesson we are going to add dimension. I already did that somehow and I want to delete. I put it in different layer, dimension in different layer. If you go to layer property, measurement is here. If look at here, if you can invisible or visible that. See, the blue lamp means that this is off, but you can turn it on. I want to delete that layer completely. When I click on this X here up, it gives me this, and it says that there is one of this problem, it cannot close it. So the shortcut for this is that you type layer type, you can type lay for layer, del for delete. Select the object on the layer or bracket name. Click on bracket. Here, text color, you can change text color, for example, green. And you can change the size, and you can go and practice to see the difference. Like select your design, like your favorite design, and you can continue dimension, adding dimension. I said 50. And you can add dimensions, change the line, and the good thing is that when you are on this layer, for example, if you don't want to show dimension to customer because you want to make it easy and simple, so just you can turn the layer off like this. It's still there, but and you can turn it on later. See, it's there, but put your layer on different layer and dimension on different layer. Good luck.